Hello, guys. Welcome back again to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, open your Gmail application. After opening Gmail, click on the top right corner. From there, you can find the option to manage your Google account. Simply click on that, and it will lead you to the Manage Account option of Google. Now, after coming here, you have to go to Personal Information, and from there, you can find the Password option by scrolling a bit. You can see the Password option here. Simply click on that option. Now, you just simply have to enter your password into here, and after entering the password, click on this Next button. After logging into your account, you can change your password. Now, you just simply have to enter your new password into the upper box here and re-enter the same password into this last box. But remember, your password must be longer than 8 characters. That will make your password unbreachable. Click on this Change Password now, and confirm your changed password by clicking on this Change Password again. By following these very easy steps, your password in your Google account will successfully be changed. Now, you can check if your password was changed or not by seeing here. It is showing the password was last changed at 1626. It is exactly 1626 now. It means my password is successfully changed. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.